I mean, I think we did an awesome job cultivating and honoring the spirit of this building. I mean, it's such an old building from the late 1800s, and we were able to save some brick, and we were able to honor the building. It's completely different. One of the things that I'm most excited about this, to share with people and kind of see all the hard work that we put into it.
There were a lot of design considerations, from not only structural to HVAC to overall comfort and experience, right? And since this is not only just a brewery where you have a need for mechanical and industrial type of cooling, it also serves as a tap room, it serves as a restaurant, it serves as a wedding venue, right? So you have those industrial cooling and heating needs, and then you have the comfort cooling and heating needs as well.
We've got equipment on the roof that's going to take care of this building for a long time, and that's what you're looking for. You're looking for something that's going to last. We're not going to have a lot of maintenance going through. That's the kind of partnership that you want, and Rheem, they fit perfect.